What is up, YouTube? So we are heading to Kawasan Falls, and yeah, we are going on an adventure. So from here we're gonna go down to South Bus Terminal, and from there it's about 3 to 4 hours ride from bus terminal to Badian, which is where the Kawasan Falls is. And yeah, guys, I'm looking forward for the day. Let's go. Hey, sir. Good morning. Alright, guys, we are here at South Bus Terminal. We're gonna check out the bus here. We're hoping to get a series line of bus because their service is good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here now at the entrance, making our way up to the falls. This water is beautiful, people. Freaking beautiful. David, you can just jump in there.
Yeah, I'll jump.
Just dive in there right now.
You go first with the camera.
Okay, guys, we just paid the entrance fee. And the new entrance fee is 45. Last time we came it was 40. But guys, I think we were the first people to arrive here. The first guest of Kawasan Falls today. Alright, guys, we just arrived here, Kawasan Falls. Somewhere there. A good number of foreigners, Westerners here, Caucasians, male and female. And at the back, like you see, that's the first level of Kawasan Falls here. You have to climb the stairs. So guys, this is another different level of Kawasan Falls. There's like maybe 3 to. Alright, guys, we are here at the second level of Kawasan Falls, and the time now is 9 AM, but the place is still empty. There's less people around here. It's not that much. The boys are having the breakfast there. We're gonna be here for a while. I think have breakfast for a while and then go and wash when the sun comes up. What's with breakfast?
It's tin fish and bread.
Tin of fish and bread. Sandwich.
Plus salt.
What?
Plus salt.
The guy holding GoPro is about to jump down. Alright guys. And, what's your name, bro?
Silver.
Julia? Steven, you can check out my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Steven.
meet you, nice. Guys, David and I are walking, heading up to the top falls, top level of the Kawasan Falls. I heard that there's a man-made, what is it, dam or hydro up there. We're just gonna go check it out. See, that's my first time to go up there, so yeah, I'll take you guys with me. David and I, we are going up there. Yeah, guys. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Also this one, yeah. Check this one out. Look, this place, there's so many like pools here in the... Oh my goodness, look at that place. Damn. You can just come here and wash with someone. You bring a date and wash, you know. Anyway, we are going up. This is not the place that I was talking about. We are going up, further up. Woo. Sometimes I lay under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Okay guys, we found out the other one. We found the other falls. It's coming from up there. See, from those roots up there, coming down all the way down to the bottom. See guys, this is how Kawasan Falls is. I think we are already here at the the dam. This is amazing, guys. Look! Damn! Brother. Oh my goodness. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Another amazing picture here. Amazing picture here in Kawasan Falls. Look how they block this thing up. There are some people coming down from there. Damn, it's beautiful. So let's go further up, check it out. Oh my goodness, look at this water. This is really Gatorade blue here. This is really amazing, guys. There's more and more tourists canoeing coming out from there. Down there, you have this amazing blue Gatorade water here. Freaking amazing, guys. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. That's our trip to Kawasan Falls. This is I'm at the top level of Kawasan Falls. I think there's some levels up there, but we couldn't make it better up. Anyway, guys, this is it for today. That's a vlog for today. Please subscribe to my channel and hope to yeah, I'll do more vlogs coming up. So please subscribe to my channel and yeah, hit that like button, comment. Yeah, comment if you want to. That's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.